changed your mind about an item in your Temu order? Here's how to remove it before finalizing your purchase. Open the Temu app and log into your account. Go to your shopping cart by tapping the cart icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the item you want to remove and look for the trash bin or remove option. Confirm the removal and that item will be deleted from your order. Make sure to check for any restocking fee or changes to your total price after removing items. Have you ever had to remove something from your cart? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.